Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to show you the Zilliqa live price prediction and technical analysis. So before starting this video, I request you kindly subscribe now our channel for more this kind of latest videos and updates of cryptocurrencies. Let's see the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. As you can see now on the screen, the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. It's a very good news for all Zilliqa holders. That is the positive 0.48% change in the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies, and the high change is $0.171647 is the high change in the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. That is the live price prediction of 2-hour result. Let's see the technical analysis on the graph of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. So let's see. As you can see now, they are small jump and small dump. As you can see here, after this period they are start jumping now. As you can see here, very badly and very highly, moving like a rocket, they are going up. As you can see here, and that is gone very best time for selling. That is a good time for selling of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. Let's see the live price prediction of last 1 hour. That is the live price predication of 2 hour. Let's see the last price prediction of last 1 hour. So I'm clicking on the last 1 hour. As you can see now, the last 1 hour result, as you can see, they are very good result. They are going up. The jumping of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies are starts now. So kindly sell if you are cryptocurrencies workers, please sell Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. The change as positive 0.24%, and the high change is $0.170619 is the change of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. That is the live price prediction of last 1 hour and 24 March 2021. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe our channel for more this kind of latest videos and news.